today, nandito po tayo sa The Palms, Lakeshore, Pampanga. Meron po kaming isang unit na binibenta rito. Trust sale lang po ito. So, as you can see, ito po yung front page niya. Pwede po mag-landscape dito and then you can park your one here. So, upon entering po, you can see that dito po yung kanyang seating area. And then, dito entertainment section. Plus, there is a bedroom here. Then, dito po sa bedroom na ito, may provision lang po siya ng mga electrical at saka sa internet connection. Plus po yung air condition nakaabang na. Dito naman po yung kanyang kitchen, may sink, may mga cabinets, and here is the service area. So dito po usually ang dirty kitchen. Yan po, tsaka yung laundry area. And on this side naman po, pwede kayong mag-request or magpagawa ng storage area. And here you can put the refrigerator. On this area sa ground floor po, there is a toilet and bath. And then here, let's go up to check the second floor. So mga ka-homes, dito naman po yung second floor and this is the second bedroom. So, yan po, ganyan siya ka-spacious at may provision na rin po siya kung saan nilalagay yung air condition. And then, on this side naman po, the other side, this is the master's bedroom. Pwede po kayo maglagay dito ng queen size na bed. And then, dito naman po, meron siyang toilet and bath dito. This is the second toilet and bath. Wherein there is an access door po dito para hindi na po kayo maistorbo pag gagamit yung sa other room. Tingnan naman po natin yung kanyang balcony. So dito po yung balcony niya mga ka-homes na pwede natin siyang ipa-extend. So this is your lounging area. Kagaya po ng ibang kapitbahay, nag-extend sila ng kanilang mga terraces. So far, yun lang po naman ang features ng bahay na ito. This is very close sa exits, Angeles, and San Fernando City. Okay? So if there's anything else or may questions po kayo regarding sa prices, just contact me po. Again, this is Leslie Manalo of Filipino Homes. Bye!